Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you supplementary reader in English for class 6, The Pact with the Sun, chapter 2, The Friendly Mongoose. This story has taken from Panchatantra's tale, The Friendly Mongoose. यहाँ पे जो मंगूज है वो है एक नेवला नेवला यानी मंगूज. Which are the consequences of misunderstanding? You will learn from this story. And this is a very interesting story about mongoose and a farmer's family. A farmer, his wife, and their small child lived in village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house. Here the mongoose means Nevla, who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Let's see the story in detail. Once a farmer and his wife lived in village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown its full size. A lovely animal with two shining black eyes, a busy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in a cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day, the farmer wives wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, and she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with this mongoose. You needn't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of a friend. You know. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his field not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. After some time, the farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. She found the mongoose at the entrance the house with blood, so she scared on his face and paws. She jumped to the conclusion directly without any understanding of situations, that it was her son's blood. She think about that, but she was not, and the mongoose was the guilty one because she supposed the farmer's wife finished her shopping and come back home with basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed blood. She cried loudly. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood. She made mongoose and ran inside to the child cradle. The baby was fast asleep. After then, she seen, but on the floor lay the black snake, torn and bleeding. Now she regret. In a flash, she realized that what had happened. She ran out looking for mongoose. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. Oh, what I have done. She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared along the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Weeping her tears, she went to feed them. The story about the mongoose, the innocent mongoose. Sometimes misunderstanding happen between the people, and without understanding the situation, we take decision. So actually, we cannot do. We understood the whole situation, and then after we decide what to do next. Thank you.